Hi! For today, we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial how to create a free website with Mobirise. So with no further ado, let's start. This is an example of a website that I have created. So as you can see, if you scroll here, you will see features. You can add the products or image, your testimonials, and contacts. So here, these buttons actually works. So if you click Mobirise, it will lead you here on your header or your homepage. And if you click on contacts, it will lead you to your contacts. So I have done this without any use of coding. So I've created a website without code and for free. So if you are interested in this, so we will now start our tutorial. So all you have to do is to search on Mobirise, and here the first thing that will come out, you click on that, and here you will see they are available for Windows and Mac. So click on download, and here you will see the file, and all you have to do is to click on that, then agree, then install, and then connect your Gmail. For example, you're done installing it. You can now click on this one. So I will teach you how to create your very own site from the beginning. So if you are wondering what is Mobirise, Mobirise is a web design software created especially for users who lack programming skills and want to know how to make their own website. So if you're wondering, is it safe to use? So Mobirise is an offline website building program and it doesn't handle security. So if you want to secure your Mobirise site, you'll be needing to do it through your hosting provider. So what is a web hosting provider? It is a company that enable businesses and individuals to make their websites available through World Wide Web. So the services that web hosting providers offer will vary but usually include website design, storage space on a host, and connectivity to the internet. So examples of web hosting providers are SiteGround, HostGator, Bluehost, and many more. So now we will get back to this. So all you have to do is to go to your account first, and then you will see app settings. You click on app settings, and all you want to do is to turn on all the top toolbar, this one, so we could easily edit our website. Now click on OK, and now we will go to pages. So what you have to do is go to sites and create a new site. So what is nice about Mobirise is they already have a free template and themes for you to use. So all you have to do is to just revise it, change the colors, the pictures, and then basically you have your own website. But for today, I will teach you how to start from the scratch. So all you have to do is to create your site name. Let's just say KAHH 2.0, and then click on add blank page. So do you want to create database undefined theme? Okay. So now all you have is a blank or empty page. So you will see here add block to page. So basically your page will look like this. So you could actually see it in mobile view, tablet horizontal view, and desktop. So here on the right side, you will see this plus sign, and if you click on that, you will see your menu bar. So all you have to do is to just pick, and don't you worry guys, you could actually edit this one, and if you want to add the about us, services, contacts, then you may do so. So I just want to use this. So what is nice about this is all you have to do is drag and drop, and then click to edit, and then basically you have your own website for free. So next is we're going to create a header. So all you have to do is to pick a header. So let's say I want to use this one, simple. So, and for the features for your product, this one. So what is your company and what does it offer? You could put it here. Then you could add articles about your shop or your ideals of your shop. You could add it here. And next is if you have a video to show or advertisement for you to show the customers, you could actually do that too, or just simply add a picture here and more gallery, and then you could put the people or the testimonials or the people who are behind this brand or to your website. Next is you could actually add your contact information, your location. You could also add that one. So let's just say I want to use this, so just drop it here. And next is to click on social. So if you have a social media aside from your website, then that is great to help you advertise your business. So you could add, let's say you have Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. All you have to do is to put that. And here you could add a footer to your website. So before that, I'm gonna create a form for them to contact us. I know, just add the footer. No, just add the footer. So you could do this. For example, you do not want this. All you have to do is to click on that and you will see this tab. So remove this block. Okay. Then the block is removed. Then you could add your anything, and basically that's just it. But we will be catering services and I don't want to put it in the same page here. So I want them to be on different page if they want to use the services. All you have to do is to go to pages, and here you will see the home. So what you want to do is to create a new page and name it. Create a blank page and let's say Sir Help Desk. Then now you have this one. What you want to do is to delete. No, do not delete this header. Delete this. Okay. Now you could add your help desk page. So you want to go to this one and then put if you want some help, you could contact these people and many more. So you could contact or email them. And if you have an instruction, let's say you could use this steps. So for example, you want them to first step contact, second put the problem or anything, and then basically contact them. So you click on that. Basically this will look like your help desk. So let's go back to pages and to your home page. Now what we are going to do next is we will be editing this one. So let's say this. If you click this and you want to go back here to the intro video for your shop, you could actually do that. All you have to do, you will see this, click link, and then you could click home and then block on home page. So you choose the page for your chosen button. Let's say I'm going to use this one. So I want them to, if they click this one, they will be directed here. And let's say this one, contacts, I want them to be directed to the contacts here. So it's just very easy. All you have to do is to just click, drop, drag, and basically you could even edit the colors for this. Say this one. So this is how it will look like in your phone, in your tablet, in horizontal view, and in your desktop. So you could actually edit the video here. Let's say this one. You could add the video URL. and then just edit all this. What is your store all about? And then you discuss it here, and the features for your shop. So you will see these icons. You could actually edit this one, then change the color if you don't like it. And if you're wondering what is this paintbrush here, so it edit your site style. So you could use that. And if you want an animation scroll, you could turn on the one, and you could actually edit the buttons color. So let's say you don't want the background to just be plain white. So you could actually edit this. Want to change it to, let's say, the background here. You could actually add an image here or just change the color. Let's say you want to go for this one or this one or this. Depends on you. You have more color palette here. Just click on this and it will lead you to more color palette. Now, if you have an image, you could actually add an image. And let's say I want to add a video. Then all you have to do is to click the video there, add the link for your video, then basically it will come out. And basically that's it. And now if you click on preview in browser here, you will see it here. Click on that. Then it will direct you to your Chrome, and this is how your website will look like. Block, and then to the contacts, and basically you have your own website. And that is all for today. Now you know how to create a free website with Mobirise. I hope this video is beneficial to you. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and leave a comment below with the best tips and tricks that I have taught you in this video. Also, please share this to your friends and family as well as other creators so that you may help them as well. So I hope this was useful. And please leave a comment below if there is anything else you'd want to contribute, and I'll see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.